Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many of us encounter formatting time strings in Python. So, the problem we have here is that we have a list of time strings with different formats, and we want to standardize them. Let's dive into the solution, shall we? Well, the solution to our formatting problem involves using pandas in Python. We start off by creating a data frame from our list of time strings. We then use the pd.to_datetime function along with dt_strtime and series.strlower to format the time strings as desired. Next, let's take a closer look at the code snippet that helps us achieve the desired time format in our data frame. The code snippet converts the time strings into the correct format, ensuring consistency across all entries. This elegant solution saves us the hassle of manually formatting each time string. Continuing with our solution, the next code snippet demonstrates how the time strings look after being correctly formatted in the data frame. The output clearly shows the before and after of the time strings, making it easy to see the improvements made. Now let's wrap up our solution by converting the formatted time strings into a list. The final code snippet showcases the list of properly formatted time strings, ready for further processing or analysis. This neat solution streamlines the data processing workflow and ensures data uniformity. In summary, we've successfully tackled the challenge of formatting time strings in Python using pandas. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. And until next time, happy coding!